Welcome to another episode of Tonex Training. Agile Process Development with Scrum Methodology, Tonex Training. Learn why use Agile Scrum Methodology, Agile Software Development, Scrum Methodology Tutorial, Scrum Process Flow. Scrum is an Agile method to deal with an undertaking, as a rule programming development. Agile programming development with Scrum is regularly seen as a procedure, yet rather than a review Scrum as approach, consider it a structure for dealing with a process. Tonex Intelligent 2-Day Scrum Overview Class is an extraordinary course for anyone who is new to Scrum or applying it within their association. This course expands on a mix of intelligent activities, useful genuine models, and exuberant discourse. Learn about Introductions to Agile and Scrum. Agile Principles. What is Scrum? The Agile Paradigm Shift. The Agile Foundation. The Agile Manifesto and Principles. Adapting Agile Process Development. Building the Agile and Scrum Team. Agile Adoption. Role of the Scrum Master. The different levels of planning in Scrum. Scrum roles, artifacts and meetings. Enabling self-organizing teams. Estimation with Scrum. Product backlog items and their purpose. Backlog requirements. And more. Request more information regarding Agile Process Development with Scrum. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.